In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could be making $960 daily with a brand new method, and all you're going to need is yourself to be able to pull it off. It's super duper fresh, it's new, not a lot of people know about this yet, and I know you guys are going to absolutely love it. So if you guys want to check it out, then click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. So this method is super amazing because it's an affiliate program method, and something specific about this method that's amazing, obviously, is because it's one of the best in the current affiliate marketing world right now, and it's going to benefit everyone involved. This includes the platform, you, even your referrals, and everyone comes home happy with a few dollars into their account. But before we get right into the video, a few things that I want to let you know about is that this affiliate program is only probably going to give you a few bucks, but if you are consistent, then you are going to be able to earn over $2,000, which is absolutely amazing. And you can even put in PayPal as your payment method. Also, it's free, like I said, and it's available worldwide, so it's absolutely amazing. You have nothing to worry about. You don't need any prior experience. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need any complicated devices. You just need one, and you're good to go. And let's jump right into it. So the very first thing that I want you guys to do is to go on over to unbounce.com, and as soon as you're in the website, on your search bar, you're going to be brought right away to the main homepage, where you can see that they're all about Unbounce, and this is a platform where business owners can easily convert any URL into an AI-powered landing page, basically. And Unbounce builds landing pages and optimizes campaigns launched by business owners using conversion intelligence. If you have any doubts about this platform, then this is obviously gonna reassure you that this is an amazing website as it is. It's already collaborated with a ton of well-known companies like Sunday, Zola, Later, Indochino, and Earnworthy. And if you scroll lower the page, you're gonna see how the whole website operates and how they are going to help business owners about their product launches and overall system. So Unbounce helps these business owners create campaigns effortlessly with the use of Smart Builder, where high converting and mobile optimized campaigns are generated 48 faster seconds, and they allow business owners to even generate their content instantly using their technology called Smart Copy. And lastly, of course, they provide an avenue where business owners can improve their conversions automatically using smart traffic. I want you to comment down below what country you reside in and what is your favorite or preferred payment method, so that my next video will be more relevant to our subscribers. Let's keep going then. Now, why are we even learning about all of these if we're not going to be purchasing anything? But the reason why I want to give you guys a brief background is so that you're going to get familiarized with them. So later on, when you head on to how you're going to promote those services, you're going to need all the information that I had just shared, because you're going to be able to properly communicate other people into convincing them as well to participate in your program. And eventually, they're going to make a purchase with Unbounce, and that's how you're gonna get your money. So let's explore further. Okay, this time we're gonna find out about the affiliate programs, and I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and under company you're gonna see the words partner programs. So you're gonna click on that, then you're gonna be brought to this page where you can now find out everything that you need to know about Unbounce's affiliate program. As you can see over here, you can earn 20% recurring avenue for every referral. You can even pull this thing off in 2 simple steps, which is one, you're going to get your referral link out there, you're going to sign up as a partner, and then you're going to get a unique URL to be able to invite other people to try Unbounce. And this unique link, your referrals are going to get an exclusive discount of 20% off their first 3 months next. And then you're going to get rewarded. Like, it's literally so easy that once your referrals pay for their account, you are going to then earn a 20% lifetime cut for every transaction for as long as they're an Unbounce customer. And to basically sum it all up, it's mind-blowing, fascinating, amazing. Your potential here is unlimited to how much money you're going to be able to make with the website, because you're going to be able to invite as many people as you can and let them try it out. You're also going to be earning money unlimitedly on, and as long as your referrals stay with Unbounce, continue to avail and purchase, then you're still gonna get a cut of their payments, 20% of their payments coming straight into your account without them even having to do anything, without you even having to ask, since as the moment you invite them with their unique URL, 20% of their payments are going to go directly to you. So it's going to be super amazing. And the next thing, you're just going to be super successful. You're going to be in love with this method, and I know you guys will. So that's pretty much what you need to know for now, and we're going to get into some real life examples in a bit, okay? Before we get on to the real money making part, where we're actually going to teach you, if you're having fun with today's video so far, then make sure you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe even leaving some suggestions down below will be absolutely beautiful. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's get back into the video. And now that you've learned about the affiliate program of Unbounce and everything, you're now ready to sign up. And the sign up process is super duper easy. To be honest, I've never seen a sign up process so easy before. So you're going to go back to the top part of the page. You're going to click on this blue button that says sign up now. So you're going to be directed to this page where you can begin the whole registration process. So you're going to create your very own account for the first time. So they're going to greet you, welcome to the Unbounce affiliate application form, and then they're going to ask you a few questions. They're personal, so you're pretty good on that end. They're going to review your profile, and then once that's all done, okay, and then learn how you can create success together. Anyway, you're going to begin with the form. You're going to start putting your first name, then your last name, then your email address, then you're going to continue with some other questions about the company, and then you're just going to answer accordingly. And as soon as you're done putting all of the details being asked and all the information being asked, you're going to tick this box to agree to the program terms and conditions, and after that, you're pretty much good. Welcome to your very own Unbounce affiliate account. Once you have your own account, you can get your unique affiliate link that you can proceed to sharing with other people and inviting them to come and join Unbounce. And the secret to making this method a great and big success is to actually use Quora.com. And if you're not familiar with Quora, Quora is basically a large online public forum platform where you're going to find millions of people on here. A lot of discussions and topics and posts and statuses shared by millions of people, and where millions of people also participate in these forums. And what you're going to do is you are going to look up something related to Unbounce affiliate program, like maybe improving the business or something like that. And then you're going to go through the statuses, the posts. You're going to reply to it, giving a little bit of information on Unbounce, and of course attaching your unique URL, your unique affiliate link, and then send it. Do this as many times as you can, and in no time you are going to earn a lot of money. You can also use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, literally whatever else, but Quora is the top of the top. So if you guys love this video, make sure you like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.